Honestly, I don't like the show. I don't want to be the one contributing or appreciating such shows, right? You can always unfollow him. So guys, first of all, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So आपने इसके टाइटल से देख लिया होगा कि it is about the India's Got Latent and the controversy that has been going on around Ranveer Alabadia and what he said specifically about, he used some words around parents and something bad about parents, and we all are quite aware of it. First of all, let me just, to those who have not seen the clip or maybe who's not aware of the show, let me just brief you over. So it's called India's Got Latent, and इस शो में आप देखोगे कि there is entire stage and everything, it's like dark and like there are four people or four or five people who sits on jury or as judge, and they call some random people, anybody, any common people, and they would just come in and कुछ भी talent वो show करेंगे, कुछ भी फालतू talent. For example, they'll just boast about, or the participants will boast about what they do, what they are good at. So for example, how you see in roadies, right? Like contestants come and they just showcase their skills and all. So it's like little more casual than roadies, but concept ye hai. But instead of taking this show more seriously, it is about whenever a contestant comes, so all of the panel in the jury, so they are usually roasting the contestant, and roasting का कोई level ही नहीं है. So they would just go on to any level in terms of the abusive words they use. So they would just comment and talk about anything, everything vulgar, I would say. This vulgar thing is also very subjective. So this is like the gist of the show. And also इस show में कोई moderation नहीं होता है. So most probably they have no script and they can go just anywhere in terms of what they are speaking, even in terms of जो भी अभद्र भाषा वो लोग use करते हैं. सो द ज्यूरी और जज होता है वो यूजुअली फिक्स नहीं होता है. सो दे आर यूजुअली कॉलिंग सेलिब्रिटीज. जस्ट वन गाय, समय रैना, ही इज़ फिक्स्ड, वो फिक्स रहता है, और उसके अलावा ही कॉल्स डिफरेंट सेलिब्रिटीज. सो आई हैव नॉट सीन, बट आई हैव सीन दी थंबनेल्स वेयर इन राखी सावंत वॉज देयर वंस, एंड वन गाय दीपक कलाल, आई थिंक ही वॉज ऑल्सो देयर. सो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस इस शो के साथ यही था. सो दैट इज़ लाइक माई पर्सनल व्यू एंड नो ऑफेंस टू एनी वन. मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम जब ये शो ट्राई किया देखने के लिए, इवन दो आई एम नॉट फाउंड ऑफ सच comedy or dark comedy or whatever they call it these days. So I just tried watching one show because it was getting very popular, and I think Deepak Kalal was there, and I don't know, the first line that he mentioned, it just took me off from that show, and I just switched it off and I just watched something else that I felt was more, that would give me more benefit in terms of wasting my time here. तो अब मैं आपको बताऊंगा अपना ओपिनियन. Honestly, I don't like the show ever since it started, and it's not like कि मैं इसको criticize कर रहा हूँ और मैं इसे देख भी रहा हूँ. I have never seen a single episode of it. Just I told you कि I have seen one episode जिसमें दीपक कलाल आया था, and I just watched one, I think एक या I think 10-20 seconds के लिए मैंने देख लिया होगा वो शो, और उसके बाद I just never went to that show again. तो ये मेरा एक्सपीरियंस था, एंड मेरा ओपिनियन ये है कि आई बिलीव इन पावर ऑफ वर्ड्स, आई बिलीव इन पावर ऑफ थॉट्स. आई सॉ एंड आई फेल्ट कि दे आर यूजिंग सच वर्ड्स सो कैजुअली, एंड you know, everybody can watch it, it is open to everyone. So I don't want to be the one contributing or appreciating such shows, right? This is again my personal view, because I think I don't want to contribute to such society wherein jokes are on people, and people are abusing each other. Even though इसका motive joke है, like every word you speak, it has some vibrations, it has some meanings, which I feel goes into the universe. So I just don't want to contribute to such content getting popular. तो मेरा इसका यही opinion था, and मे बी आप लोग डिफ़र करते होंगे, मे बी यू इन्जॉय सच शोज़. भी इस शो को लेके क्या कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही है अभी मैंने देखा, इस रणवीर अलाबादिया को लेके ही चल रही है. वट एवर ही सेड अबाउट हिज, नॉट हिज पेरेंट्स बट लाइक anybody's parents, what he said, he gave some very bad options. I haven't watched the show. I just saw some clips that were getting popular from Instagram. Or so I'll just talk about the current situation about this thing that has been going on. एक तो रणवीर अलाहाबादिया को बहुत ही ज़्यादा आई थिंक थ्रेट्स मिल रहे हैं, इवन डेथ थ्रेट्स ही इज़ गेटिंग. I have seen on social media. I'm not following this case so much, but I see some people like making content about this, and they are sharing the evidences of people sharing videos that, you know, if he or she they see Ranveer Allahabadiya somewhere else outside, they might just whatever do with his life. तो ये मिल रहा है. एंड ऑल्सो people have been reported like going in Ranveer's mom's clinic as patients, and they are creating like drama and all. Also police complaints हो गई हैं, chief ministers and all, they have also like raised their voices against it. Also FIRs वगैरह भी हो गई हैं, multiple FIRs हो गई हैं. आई थिंक इस वीडियो को बनाने का मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू यही है. आई जस्ट वांट टू शेयर माय ओपिनियन of it, and also I just want to share like what can we learn from all of this, whatever has happened. उसके अलावा what responsibility as an individual I have and each one of us have. तो हम लोग यही डिस्कस करेंगे. आई थिंक फर्स्ट आई शेयर माई ओपिनियन. आई थिंक whatever happened, this is not hurting anybody, and we always have a choice to not watch it. Nobody is putting that video in our faces to watch it. Although ये justify नहीं करता है जो भी रणवीर has said, but I think इतना ज़्यादा attention इसको मिलना, it's not worth it. Because again, as an individual, we all have a choice. Nobody is forcing us to watch that video. अगर यही होता, अगर if people were so strict about this, I think more than 80% or 90% of the India would have been in jail, because I've seen people using these abusive languages so often. It's not that Ranveer has used, but like people on the road, everywhere I go, even in the families, I've heard people using this MCBC words, right? So they all should be in jail, right? If this is the case. But then the thing comes is, I think इसमें चीज़ कहाँ ज़्यादा ख़राब हो जाती है, because he is such a big name now, and उसका जो भी image है रणवीर का, it's based on all spirituality, yoga, our Indian heritage. So I think that's where it conflicts with whatever he has done. And I do understand कि big influencers, इन लोग को ये कुछ भी बोलने से पहले इन सोशल मीडिया बहुत सोचना चाहिए, बिकॉज दे हैव इन्फ्लुएंस ओवर लाइक ह्यूज पॉपुलेशन, राइट? आई डू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. आई थिंक मेरे लिए सैड पार्ट इसमें यही था कि मेरे लिए भी रणवीर की इमेज काफ़ी वैसी थी, लाइक अ गुड बॉय एंड समबडी हु इज स्पिरिचुअल, हु इज़ कॉन्शियस ऑफ वट एवर ही इज सेइंग, थिंकिंग, एंड हाउ एवर ही इज़ कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू द सोसाइटी. So I think that shattered and that hurt me the most. Also, I think with every great position comes a great responsibility and a great sense of accountability as well. So I think this this has to happen, because going forward this world would be all about content, and agar influencers are not taking initiative from their part to moderate whatever they're saying as per what they want to give to society. So I think that's going to create chaos, because many people are being influenced by those people, right? And इसमें मेरा ओपिनियन एक ये है कि यूट्यूब के पास एक कंटेंट मॉडरेशन पॉलिसी भी होनी चाहिए. हम लोग सारा ब्लेम नहीं डाल सकते हैं कि रणवीर ने ऐसा बोला एंड शो ऐसा था. शो का कोई स्क्रिप्ट नहीं था, उनके प्रोड्यूसर ने, उनके डायरेक्टर ने, उनका राइटर ने ये सब कैसे क्या करा, क्यों अलाउ किया. तो आई थिंक अलाउ उन्होंने किया अपने पार्ट से, ठीक है, बट द प्लेटफॉर्म विच इज़ गिविंग देम द एक्सपोजर, दैट इज़ डूइंग नथिंग, एंड people can't do anything to that platform, probably because it's huge and out of their control. If you are to give punishment to Ranveer, you should first go and give someone, maybe YouTube CEO, Google CEO. Also I feel कि ये अभी हमारी प्रायोरिटी नहीं होनी चाहिए, because in India we all see क्या क्या चल रहा है अभी हमारे कंट्री में. So many rape cases, Delhi's pollution, so many things, so many news, right? बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, I cannot list all of them, but I think this should be last in our priority list, right? So I don't see this being like a top like a बहुत बड़ी प्रायोरिटी जो कि सारे न्यूज़ चैनल कवर कर रहे हैं, पुलिस इज लाइक behind them, every state police is behind them. So this is not the case, or this should not be the case here at least. If we see like how much Ranveer has contributed in terms of the kind of podcasts he have given us, और जो भी कंटेंट उसने हमारे लिए बनाया है, so I think we all owe him one gesture of forgiveness for whatever he did, and let him move on. Let us all give him a chance. And also, there is always a choice with all of us, with each one of us, कि we can always unfollow him. हम उसे हमेशा अनफॉलो कर सकते हैं. हमें कोई फोर्स नहीं कर रहा है कि उसे जाके फॉलो करो. अगर यू आर नॉट लाइकिंग अ कंटेंट, यू कैन ऑलवेज अनफॉलो दैट कंटेंट. सो एक ये हमारा आ जाता है, ये मेरा एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग ओपिनियन है इस पे कि यू नो पीपल आर गोइंग टू वॉच इट, देन दे विल क्रिटिसाइज इट. सो आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड लाइक why you are going and watching it and then you are not liking it. I'm not saying कि सारे लोग यही कर रहे हैं, but most of the people that I have seen, they are doing this. They watch it and then they criticize it. Maybe they're watching it again and again. पता नहीं क्यों देखना है और फिर उसके बारे में रोना भी है. So that I don't understand. So we'll talk about the learning part of it. हम लोग इस चीज़ से, इस पूरे controversy से क्या सीख सकते हैं as an individual, as a responsible citizen, as a human, I would say. First of all, हमें कोई भी इन्फ्लुएंसर, किसी को भी ब्लाइंडली फॉलो नहीं करना है. ये हमें बहुत अच्छे से समझना है आजकल, स्पेशली इन दिस एरा ऑफ कंटेंट एंड सो मैनी इन्फ्लुएंसर्स ऑल अराउंड. हमें ये बहुत ही अच्छे से अपने दिमाग में बैठा लेना है. अगर कोई इंसान, फॉर एग्जांपल रणवीर के केस में ही, इफ़ somebody is talking about spiritual stuff, it doesn't mean he's a yogi or he's somebody who is perfect and who is like a, again, yogi, right? Because most of us had that perception about him. कोई क्या बोल रहा है सोशल मीडिया पे और कोई एक्चुअल लाइफ में कैसा है, वी शुड स्टॉप मेकिंग दैट पिक्चर इन आवर माइंड, राइट? वी शुड स्टॉप थिंकिंग कि अगर वो ये बोल रहा है तो वो भी ऐसा ही होगा. उसका मे बी उसका पर्सनल लाइफ बहुत डिफरेंट हो. ही इज़ जस्ट डूइंग थिंग्स टू गेट द कंटेंट, राइट? बिकॉज ये भी बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस हो गया है आजकल, कंटेंट क्रिएशन. मे बी ही इज़ जस्ट making more content which is more acceptable in public, which would give him just the views. It doesn't say कि वो इंसान वैसा है. बट ये इस वाले कंट्रोवर्सी में आप ये मत इसको ऐसे लगाना कि whatever he said in that India's Got Latent, it's again for the views. No, it was not for the views, because it is unscripted. From what we all know, the show is unscripted. You just express whatever you feel like or whatever your thought process is. So ये इसमें नहीं applicable होता है, but in general मैं बोल रहा हूँ about any content creator, whatever they are creating, whatever kind of content they are creating, it doesn't mean or it doesn't reflect their own personality at all. So हमें ये चीज़ को बहुत ही सेग्रीगेटेड रखना है कि ये इंसान अगर ये कंटेंट क्रिएट कर रहा है तो ज़रूरी नहीं है ये इंसान यही होगा. ये इंसान बहुत ही डिफरेंट हो सकता है इस चीज़ से, जो भी कंटेंट वो क्रिएट कर रहा है. तो उसमें हमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा माइंडफुल होना है उस चीज़ को लेके, एंड किसी को भी ब्लाइंडली फॉलो नहीं करना है. जस्ट ऑलवेज बी अलर्ट. किसी भी चीज़ को देख रहे हो तो उसमें हमेशा लॉजिकली ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इट, राइट? ट्राई टू know the facts about it and don't just follow anybody blindly, because again बहुत सारे content creators हैं, right? For example, अभी मेरे एक दिमाग में आ रहा है the financial influencer these days who are giving like financial advices on YouTube. It doesn't mean they are like a good financial advisor or they are some CA or something. So वो अपना personal view रख रहे हैं, but that doesn't mean कि हम उनको blindly follow करें, right? So there is a very thin line there. So we all must be very conscious and aware of who we are following and what kind of perception we are making about that influencer. दूसरी learning इसमें हमारी ये है, if some content is not aligning with our morals, it doesn't mean put that particular content creator in jail or maybe harass him. So we can always keep our point of views, opinions in a very assertive manner, but not like जैसे आजकल के लोग कितना कुछ भी कमेंट करते हैं किसी के भी पोस्ट के नीचे. सो इन अ कंस्ट्रक्टिव मैनर, इन अ एक सभ्य तरीके से हम लोग वो कन्वर्जेशन या पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू पहुंचा सकते हैं, राइट. बट आई अंडरस्टैंड कि देयर इज ऑलवेज अ लिमिट टू एनीथिंग, एंड जो भी है ठीक है. इसमें लर्निंग नंबर 2 ये थी कि वी ऑलवेज एज अ इंडिविजुअल, वी ऑलवेज हैव अ चॉइस टू अनफॉलो सच कंटेंट. गाइज ये अपने दिमाग में बात बांध लो, बिकॉज आई सी सो मैनी पीपल, सो मैनी ऑफ यू वॉचिंग द थिंग एंड देन क्रिटिसाइजिंग इट, सेइंग कि ये तो किसी को नहीं देखना चाहिए, ये क्या बना दिया है, क्यों बना दिया है, और उसी को देखते रहेंगे वो रिपीटेड, बार बार उसी को देखते रहेंगे वो लोग. एंड आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि भाई उनको अनफॉलो कर दो. किसी ने नहीं बोला है कि तुम्हें उसे देखना है वरना तुम्हें हम शूट कर देंगे, ऐसा तो किसी ने नहीं बोला है. तो वाई, आई मीन, if you don't like something, maybe you have unconsciously clicked on a video, you have just watched it. If you want to express your opinion, comment में एक constructive way में you can always put your opinion. You can always unfollow that particular content creator, right? But then you are following that content creator, you want to watch their videos, then again you want to harass that particular person as well. So that I don't understand. So इसमें learning ये है कि please feel free to unfollow anything that you don't like, because इसमें एक पॉइंट ये भी है कि आप किसी चीज़ को भी लाइक करते हो तो कहीं ना कहीं आप उस चीज़ को सपोर्ट कर रहे हो टू ग्रो. सो ऑलवेज थिंक फ्रॉम दैट परस्पेक्टिव एज वेल, बिकॉज दिस अपकमिंग जनरेशन और जो भी अभी जनरेशन आ रही है, so that generation would be entirely like content consumers. So उनका हर decision, उनकी पूरी life would be based on the content. So please be mindful of whoever or whatever you are following, and please always feel free to unfollow any content, and always remember, if you are following something, you are supporting that particular thing. So always be mindful of that. And then comes responsibility of each one of us. Responsibility mein, again, I think this would be a repeated thing. Responsibility number 1 could be we can always unfollow such content, right? For example, मैं अपनी बात करूँगा. Ever since I have been into spirituality, I have become more aware of whatever I am saying, whatever I am thinking. So इस पर्टिकुलर शो का मैंने अभी तक एक एपिसोड भी नहीं देखा है. एक एपिसोड देखा है जो मैंने आपसे अभी शेयर किया है. देयर इन दीपक कलाल वॉज देयर, आई डोंट नो, एंड सम अदर पीपल वर ऑल्सो देयर. उसका मैंने आई थिंक 20-30 सेकेंड्स मैक्सिमम देखा होगा, मे बी 1 मिनट देख लिया होगा. उसके अलावा आई डिसाइडेड दैट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू वॉच इट. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू पुट दैट ट्रैश इनसाइड माई हेड. And also by watching it, I'm also not going to support this particular content. Responsibility number 2, which is whatever content you watch, so always think, would you want to create a society wherein this is normalized so much that anybody is using any kind of language, or maybe anybody's using any kind of behavior in that way, wherein you are degrading somebody else in the name of comedy, and morally, do you support such things happening? कल को आपके फ्रेंड को आप ऐसे गाली दे दे कि, या किसी भी और रैंडम स्ट्रेंजर सा मिले उसको ऐसे गाली दे दे कि आप यू वुड पुट हिम डाउन just for the sake of some laughs, some giggles. So I don't think that's worth it. I don't want to support such content, because ultimately it is creating our society. So for example, जैसे मैं कपिल शर्मा शो देखता था, उसमें भी आई थिंक देयर इज़ अ फाइन लाइन. उसमें भी था कि he would degrade people, he would call out audiences, maybe in the name of joke he would degrade people and other people would laugh when somebody is being put down. So again, वो चीज़ें मैंने कहीं ना कहीं कभी ना कभी अपने फ्रेंड्स पे यूज़ करनी स्टार्ट करी. So see, this is how it impacts, right? This is how it comes into the society. But then eventually, as I learned from it, as I grew, so I just stopped even watching such shows, because I knew the kind of impact it is creating on me, and maybe on me, so many people were watching that show and any show, right? Even this show. So see how it is contributing to the society. Nothing personal or offensive to anyone. This is me, Shivam, sharing his point of view, and also, like, in a constructive way, I have shared what are the learnings that we can take, what are the key takeaways, and the responsibility for us as an individual that we can learn from a controversy. We can learn at least something from anything that has happened, like, anywhere around us. I hope you like this video, and if you want to see such engaging conversations more, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Shivam Talks. So until the next video, take care and be kind to one another. Spread happiness and positivity. So this is me, Shivam, signing off.